Guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I thought I'd sit down with you and talk about my low buy. So it is a low buy, it's not a complete no buy. So I don't want to buy as much, I don't want to bring as much makeup into my collection, but I do have some things that I do want to bring into the collection, which we'll talk about later on. So I did buy something yesterday from TK Maxx that I was looking at getting from Beauty, and I managed to save £15. So I was going to get it anyway after my low buy, so I thought I may as well save. So I thought I'd get it anyway because obviously there was a saving of £15, so it's like shopping in a Black Friday sale, and I don't even think I would get it at that price in the Black Friday sale, so I just grabbed it. But before that I thought I would talk about the rules around my low buy. So I'm allowed to buy clothing if I need it. I mean, there's certain things that I do need for summer, like a few more t-shirts, maybe some shorts. So I've not put myself in a clothing low buy. I've not put myself on a haircare and skincare low buy. Just because I only have a few of those products in my collection at a time. Like the only moisturiser I've got in my collection is the Olay one that I tested in a previous video. So I have only got one of those, so when that goes I'm going to need to buy a new one. The same with mascaras, when that goes I'm going to have to get a new one. I only bring one in at a time. And setting sprays, I don't have that many. Right, so where's it gone? It'll be around here somewhere, but I bought an Essence one and it was a Fix, Hydrate and Setting Spray, and it's really good. I've run out of it, so I'm using this Revolution Hyaluronic Hydrating Essence Spray. I really do like it, and it's going to come a point where this is gone as well, so I will have to buy another setting spray. The only other setting spray I've got is this one. So this is the Technique Magic Mist Illuminating Setting Spray. So once they're gone I'm definitely going to need to purchase another setting spray. And I have been liking just mists as well at the moment, and that's why I got the Revolution one, just because it's so hot and I like to put it on before makeup and in between makeup as well, when I feel like my makeup needs it. If my makeup looks too powdery I like to use it. So yeah, there is that. But I made a point of saying I wasn't going to be bringing any more makeup into the collection. Like I said earlier, if I see something that's at a really great discount, like what I saw earlier, it was £15 less than it should have been, then I am going to pick it up, because I'm going to pick it up anyway in November, and what's the point in waiting when I know that I'm going to pick it up and that I want to try it. Anyway, I'm also gonna do a haul video in this video, so they're just kind of my rules. There's not many rules around it. Kind of a low buy, no buy if you think about it. I've not set myself a budget or anything. Just some months I won't buy anything and some months I will, depending on, one, if I go into the city centre and I see anything, and two, if I feel like I need anything. So last month I spent £6 on this setting spray here, and I spent another £6 on the Essence one, so that's £12. I only spent £12 all month, so I don't mind that. And then this month I have spent a little bit more, but we are going to go through that. Like I said earlier, there will be some months I do spend a little bit more. So yesterday I needed to go to the range for some kitchen appliances, mainly just a draining board for the sink and also a sink bowl. Yeah, that's all I got for the kitchen. And I saw this, and I love these kind of things. I didn't know what I was going to put in. I filmed this video yesterday and I didn't like it, so I've deleted it. But it's one of those crystal beauty boxes, and I thought to myself, well, I can put my brushes on, I can organise my brushes, or I can put my liquid lipsticks in there. It was only £8.99. Where's the price? There. You can see it was only £8.99 there. It's just at the back of me, I'll show you in a second. And then something else from the range was this cup. I've wanted a cup like this for a while. It was only £1.99, so that's what, basically a tenner that I spent there. Actually it came to nearly £20 with the kitchen appliances that I needed. It's only lemonade, guys. Would go down a treat if some gin was in there, or some Malibu, but yeah, it's only lemonade. And then I wanted to go to TK Maxx. I wanted some trainers, and I'd seen some online, so I went looking for them. They didn't have them there. But as always with me, what I like to do even before I get to the shoe department, because that's right at the other end of the shop, is go and check out the makeup, and that was my fault really. I should have just walked straight past it, but I saw this. Sorry, I came a bit forward then. I saw this. It's the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions, and I really do like these small palettes by Huda Beauty, and I've been after this one for a while. I was going to get it a couple of months ago from Cult Beauty, so it just looks like that. We all know what it looks like at this point, but isn't that a beautiful palette? I knew I had to get it. I couldn't leave it there. Even my mum said, well, you're on a low buy, it's not a no buy. If you're going to buy it anyway in November and you're going to pay £25, it's a little bit silly for you to leave it there. So yeah, I decided to get that. So you can say that I've spent £30 already this month on these little things, but I do feel like A, I wanted this one, B, I could do with this one for like the storage of my brushes. It turned out I'm putting my brushes in there. I will show you in a minute what it looks like. I'm thinking about doing maybe a organisational video when I clean my brushes, because they are a little bit grubby and dirty when I clean my face brushes. If you'd like to see how I organise it in the organiser, just drop me a comment down below. If you're not really that interested, I'll just do it myself and maybe show you in a future video. But yeah, I'm really glad that I've got this. I will be doing swatches on it. It might be a little while before I actually get around to using it, but I'm glad that I saw it in TK Maxx for £10 and managed to get that £15 off. Let's go over to my vanity and I'll show you the beauty box, and then this will conclude the video. Right, so this is what it looks like. It's really beautiful. Let's just take this so you can actually see it in all its glory. So it swivels really well. What I had here was just a little plastic thing, and I could never find my brushes, so I thought I'd invest in this and put some brushes in and be able to find them a little bit better. In fact, I might get one of these next month for my liquid lipsticks. My liquid lipsticks are just in a little cube, and I think these are really nice, really inexpensive as well. So that's for that. So like I said, if you want to see how I organise all these brushes, because what I want to do is organise them in how I use them, and I don't even know if all these are going to be in there, because we've got some more brushes back there, and I need to figure out which ones that I want to use more. So yeah, these were just every single brush that was in the old brush holder. So just let me know if you would like to see an organisational video. This concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate your time and support as always on the channel. Please like, it really does help. Share and comment, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. I'm currently working on a giveaway at the moment, and that should go up in the next month or so, and I would love for you to enter, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.